Hey guys, hope you're doing well. The province of Saskatchewan has launched a new immigration pathway this month called the Tech Talent Pathway to attract skilled workers from the tech and IT sectors to the province. The province has even provided a website which is dedicated to posting multiple job vacancies from these sectors, so candidates like you can directly apply for them through this government website, so you know that you won't be getting fake job offers and you won't be getting cheated through various job offer scams that are going on at the moment. This new tech pathway will facilitate a quick, expedited immigration process for tech workers already working in Saskatchewan and also those that will apply from outside Canada. There's no age limit for the program, there's no LMI required, and there's no proof of funds required as well. Coming to which stream you can apply under, if you choose the non-express entry route, you can apply as long as you have proof of legal status in Canada and you're not a refugee claimant. You don't necessarily have to be in Canada for this. If you choose the express entry route, you can apply as long as you have an active express entry profile in the express entry pool. For this too, you don't have to be in Canada, you can apply from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the new Tech Talent Pathway, who can apply for it, the 11 eligible occupations or NOCs that have been targeted, its requirements or eligibility criteria, the complete application steps, and how you can get your PR for your whole family through this new pathway, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save your money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all your queries in the comments section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. Let me first tell you about the new Tech Talent Pathway. To recover from the impacts of the global pandemic, Saskatchewan is relying on the tech sector to supplement its economic growth, and as a result, they've introduced the new Tech Talent Pathway to ease critical labor shortages in Saskatchewan's tech sector. This new pathway provides permanent residence for tech and IT workers from 11 targeted NOC groups or eligible occupations. Now, if you have experience in any one of these 11 targeted NOCs, you can qualify for this program if you're working in Canada and even if you're applying from outside Canada as well, so that's great news. If you're approved, you and all your dependent family members like your spouse or common law partner and your children will get your permanent residence status together, so all of you can fly to Canada together. This is the list of eligible occupations or targeted NOCs in the tech sector for this new pathway. Now, if you have experience in any one of these 11 targeted NOCs, you can qualify for this program if you're working in Canada and even if you're applying from outside Canada as well. Now, let me tell you the requirements or eligibility criteria. You must have at least 6 months of work experience in any of the targeted 11 NOCs to be eligible for this pathway if you're applying from within Saskatchewan, or a minimum of 1 year of work experience if you're applying from anywhere outside Saskatchewan. So as you can see, your experience doesn't have to be Canadian experience, you can apply with work experience from your home country as well. You must have at least a post-secondary level of education and you lead an ECA or an Education Credential Assessment from WES or any other designated education evaluation service. You must have a minimum language test score of CLB 5 if you're applying from within Saskatchewan or CLB 7 if you're applying from outside, as you'll need to apply through the Express Entry program, and CLB 7 is the bare minimum required for creating an Express Entry profile. For certain eligible computer, software, electrical and electronics engineers, you'll need to complete Saskatchewan Professional Licensing certifications. Computer engineers, software engineers and electrical and electronics engineers will be required to provide a letter from the Association of Professional Engineers and Geoscientists of Saskatchewan showing that an application for registration as an engineer in training has been approved, or they have to provide a letter from APEGS indicating that they have been assigned confirmatory exams. Last but not the least, an employer-specific SINP job approval letter for an eligible technology sector occupation or targeted NOC. The best part is that the province has provided a dedicated website to find these job offers, and you can search for and apply for these job offers in the 11 targeted NOCs using this website from anywhere in the world. You don't necessarily have to be in Canada for that. Now that you know all the requirements of this program, let me tell you how to apply for it. You can apply using SINP's online portal, the same one used for creating EOIs or expression of interest profiles. You'll have to complete the different sections of your online application and scan and upload all of your completed forms and required documents in PDF format. Next, you'll have to save your application and pay the application fee, which is just 350 Canadian dollars. After fee payment, you'll be eligible to submit your application online. After you've submitted your application, you'll receive a letter by email confirming that your application has been received by the SINP. After application submission, your profile goes through two stages called the pre-screening stage, which will check if your application is complete, and the criteria assessment and recommendation stage, in which your complete application will be reviewed to determine if you provided the information required to meet the criteria of the category that you applied under. A decision will then be made, and if your application has been approved, for the employment offer and occupation and demand streams, the SINP will send you a nomination package by email that will include an SINP nomination approval letter, an SINP work permit support letter depending on the stream that you apply under, and information on how to proceed with the application for permanent residency with the Government of Canada. The SINP will notify the centralized intake office of the IRCC of your nomination. You must submit your application for permanent residence to IRCC within 6 months of being nominated by the SINP. For the Express Entry stream, the SINP will enter details of your nomination into the Express Entry system. IRCC will then ask you to confirm that you accept SINP's nomination, for which you will get 30 days. After you accept your SINP nomination, you'll get another 60 days to submit your permanent residence application. Because of your nomination, you'll get 600 additional CRS points, so you'll be picked in the very next Express Entry draw. Alright guys, so that was all about the new tech talent pathway for the SINP. For more immigration and travel tips, subscribe to this channel now. Do like this video if you like the content and comment what topic you would like to hear about next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for regular updates on immigration, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. I wish you the best of luck for your application and hope you have a great day.